Hi friends, I am Dr. Sheban from Dr. Sheban Weight Loss Clinic. My cell number is 9434387004. In my weight loss clinic, we get patients all over India, especially both males and females and even children with overweight. When they come to my clinic, the first question my patients ask is, Doctor, how you are reducing weight of patients without protein powder, without juice, without honey, without exercise, without tablets, or even without a bariatric surgery? My answer is very simple to them. What I do in my clinic, I give a diet chart for them. Morning tiffin, afternoon lunch, night dinner, 11 o'clock tea break, and a 5 p.m. snacks with a tea break. That's all I give. I give them a diet chart. How I calculate the diet chart for a patient, for an overweight patient? It's very simple. I calculate the 24 hours daily requirement of high quality protein, good fat, vitamins, minerals and carbohydrates, and I prescribe them a balanced diet chart. When I prescribe a balanced diet chart to my patient, he need not do any exercise to reduce his body weight. Many patients who come to me, they usually say that they have tried protein powder, they have stopped rice, they have stopped eating egg, meat, fish, they have stopped eating snacks, they have stopped eating oily foods, they go for walking regularly and they take only oats, they take only chapatis, they take good fruits, they take only vegetables, but still they are not able to reduce their body weight. The answer is very simple. Unless you take a balanced home-based diet chart, you cannot reduce the body weight. Even if you do exercise, even if you take protein powder, even if you drink honey. It's very simple. So when I prescribe a balanced diet chart, anybody can reduce their body weight without doing any exercise. Okay, that is the answer. And if you reduce your body weight, there are so many advantages. If you reduce your body weight, we have seen so many couples with no babies. They are suffering from PCOD and hormonal problems. Very important. If they reduce their body weight, their PCOD will become normal, their hormone problems will become normal. They can very fairly have a good child. Then patients with thyroid, they will get benefited because if they reduce their body weight, facial hair growth in females due to hormone problems will come down. Your high blood sugar will come down. Your high bad cholesterol will come down. Your blood pressure will come down. And some patients will suffering from migraine. Those things will come down. And fatty liver, very important. Fatty liver will become normal if you reduce your body weight. Some skin conditions like psoriasis also gets better if you reduce your body weight. Especially infertility, the people suffering from having no babies, they will be benefited very well. Especially PCOD patients, if they reduce their body weight, they will definitely get babies. And that's all. My clinic is located in Kanyakumari district and my hometown is called Palliyadi. It is 4 kilometers near Marthandam. Kindly share this video with your friends. Stay tuned with Dr. Sheban. Thank you.